Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETH with USD on Trust Wallet. First, make sure you have USD in your Trust Wallet. You'll also need a small amount of BNB, typically less than $1, to cover the network transaction fees. Next, open your Trust Wallet application and locate the Browser or dApps tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where we'll access the decentralized exchange. Once in the dApps browser, search for a decentralized exchange that supports the Binance Smart Chain, such as PancakeSwap. After finding it, connect your Trust Wallet to the exchange. This usually involves a simple tap to confirm the connection. Then, within the exchange's swap interface, select USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to trade from. This sets up the first part of your transaction. Now select ETH or Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You'll then enter the specific amount of USD you wish to exchange. The exchange will display the current conversion rate and any associated fees. It's important to review these details carefully, including the potential slippage tolerance, which is often set to 1% or less. Adjust if necessary before proceeding. After reviewing all the details, you'll first need to approve the USD for spending by the decentralized exchange. This is a one-time approval. Then, confirm the actual swap transaction within your Trust Wallet. A small BNB fee will be deducted. Once confirmed, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. Your ETH should appear in your wallet shortly after the transaction is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.